Daphne Velghe. These are your favourite things?
Yes.
Number 1, musician, band, artist, current and of all time. So listening to now and forevermore.
It's kind of I mean...
This is good.
Can I be honest?
Of course, honesty is the only thing. Be real and be true.
And it has to be one band or one name.
Yes, because
I can name
people
several.
are going to see this forever.
Okay.
It'll
Well,
never
in all
leave the
honesty,
internet.
I know it's kind of like a guilty pleasure, but I love Sean Paul.
Sean Paul.
Yeah.
Right now.
It's like reggaeton dancehall, and it just makes me happy.
It's ragga.
Yeah.
It's a dancehall artist.
I think it's because my dad really likes reggae music, so I kind of grew up with that.
Wicked.
Yeah.
So what is the name of the album?
His album, I don't know what his album is called. I think he has one that's Like Glue.
Like
Glue.
Glue.
Yes, such a
by
techie.
Sean Paul. And then for all time.
For all time? I would say Bob Marley then.
Yeah,
for my
then
dad.
exactly.
Yeah.
Your dad played that all through your childhood.
Yeah.
Do you have a favourite Bob Marley album?
I don't know. He just always played like the
You
best
don't
of.
know. It's the best
Yeah,
of.
and you know when you're young,
Yeah,
I never.
all those
I
hits.
can sing along in like my made up English words when I was younger.
So one song?
No Woman, No Cry. What's that called? Yeah.
Okay. Great. No Woman, No Cry by Bob Marley. Favourite song. Favourite movie recently? Are you a moviegoer? And of all time.
Favorite movie?
Oh, it's getting dark.
Oh yeah, I really liked Pride and Prejudice.
I love that too.
Yeah.
Is that with Gwynnie?
No, it's not with
There's an
older one, and then they made a newer one.
With
I think Keira Knightley.
Yes.
I just really like Keira Knightley in those costume movies.
I really do. And Donald Sutherland's in it?
Yeah.
He plays the dad. The happy dad.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, yeah.
It's like one of those films.
It's a long one, but it's so beautiful.
It's not the one with Emma Thompson. Tell me the Austen with Emma Thompson and Kate Winslet. That's Sense and Sensibility.
Yeah,
I fucking love that.
Yeah.
That's a great one.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, you don't?
I don't think I've seen.
Oh,
that
you're
one.
gonna go home today
and
go,
see that.
literally
I'm gonna
today
rush
when you go home.
Yeah.
Sense and Sensibility.
Yes.
Emma Thompson was nominated for an Oscar for the screenplay, adapted screenplay. I believe she won.
Okay.
And she's in it too.
Okay.
A great
Amazing
film.
movie.
Amazing film.
Okay.
Okay, and then for all... that is it. What did you... wasn't Sensitive.
It was Pride and Prejudice.
Yes.
Yeah.
My wife will watch that whenever it's on. It's like one of those things. It's
Yeah.
like Goodfellas. It just sucks you in.
Yeah, I know.
It does. She's great.
Your wife?
No. Yes, of course, my wife is. What's her name? The English actress?
Keira Knightley.
Keira Knightley.
Yeah, she's great.
She is great. Favourite TV show?
Friends.
That's as simple as that.
Yeah.
You're about the third Friends that we've had. Favourite actor? It must be a generational thing.
Brad Pitt.
And you've probably Brad Pitt number 3 maybe as well.
Oh, I'm so sorry to. He's just charismatic and
you like that alpha male thing.
Yeah, and just I don't know, growing up like with my friends, we're like, ooh, Brad Pitt.
Favorite?
You know?
What's the favourite Brad Pitt moment, character, movie? Therefore,
I don't know. I really like The Mexican.
right?
He plays like this. He's a bit like a goofy character in that movie. Like he has a gun, but then he drops it, and I think that's quite like cute.
You like the klutziness because he's so alpha male.
Yeah.
He can afford to do
yeah,
that.
exactly. It makes him even more attractive because he's like, there's something, he's not perfect.
There's slight vulnerability
Yeah.
there, which is winning.
Yeah.
Favourite actress?
Well, then I'm going to say Keira
Keira
Knightley.
Knightley.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Favourite model?
Natalia Vodianova.
I photographed her.
Yeah,
She was very, very pretty indeed.
Just, I don't know.
She
you know
did
that,
well as well. She
that,
married well.
Paolo Roversi picture
Yes.
of her, like when she looks over her shoulder.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
The black and white with her eyes, like, oh my God.
She was incredibly.
Yeah.
She had a great presence. Favourite designer?
Raf Simons.
Good old Raf. Oh, right. Accessories. Shoes, bags, sunglasses. In quick, short order, please.
Shoes. Gucci.
Wicked.
Bags. My Philip Lim bag. I have a nice one.
Yeah.
Sunglasses. Dior.
I love that. You're so decisive. Okay, we did shoes. I'm going to scrap that next time. Favorite makeup?
What I do as like favorite makeup? Or
Do you have a brand that you like to use?
Oh,
or do you wear makeup at all?
I just wear a little bit like some concealer, mascara. I would say favorite brand, the YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. Those,
Wicked.
yeah, are really good.
Love that. Perfume?
Mademoiselle Coco, Chanel.
Is that the Keira Knightley one? Mm-hmm. See? Keira's selling that shit, man. Favorite shop?
Store for like shopping?
Yes, it's got to be in Antwerp, please.
They have this store Step by Step where they sell a really nice selection of...
In Antwerp?
Yeah, in Antwerp.
Wicked, Step by Step. Favorite city place to live so far?
London.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Good old London.
Yeah, even though it's a bit big. And
It's huge.
Whenever I'm there, I'm like...
Which part of London?
It just depends. That's what I like. You
The
have...
villaginess of it.
Yes, like Camden, and then you have
You live
Notting Hill.
You've lived
and
in Camden.
Yeah.
Camden. Favorite restaurant? It can be anywhere.
The Modern in New York.
It's
Next
part
to
of-
the MoMA. It's in the MoMA.
It's in the MoMA.
amazing. I mean, it's like, I think it's like a Michelin star. It's quite high end.
Is it?
But it's
Expensive.
actually not that bad for a 4-course meal because tip is already included, tax is already included, and the food is just like art on your plate. So in all honesty, I find like a lot of restaurants in New York are very overpriced, in my opinion, for what you get. But that's a
Value for
beautiful
money.
one. Yeah.
You're paying for what you get.
Yeah, and you should take your wife someday if you like good food.
Good portions?
Yeah, I mean, at the end, if you do the 4... Yeah.
Yes, you'd be full up coming
Yeah.
out there. Favorite holiday destination or hotel there at that destination?
Mallorca,
Great.
Hotel Esmoli.
Esmoli.
Esmoli, it's really nice.
Wicked, I'll put that down.
Yeah.
Favorite food, meal, last meal. I mean, it has to be that important.
Lasagna?
Wicked.
Yeah.
That's the first lasagna we've had.
Yeah, like a good old lasagna.
Comfort food before you die.
Yeah.
Good. Again, you're going to be full going to the gallows.
Yes.
Favorite exercise?
Pilates. I do it every day. I'm taking a teacher training
You do it every day?
every day. I get in a bad mood if I don't do it.
Shit.
For me, it's, you know how people say with that yoga, or for
Yeah.
me, it's if I do my Pilates, I do it in the morning. I start my day right. My whole body is like putting everything into place. I focus on my breathing. It's like 1 hour for myself.
You take Pilates over ballet training or ballet class.
I think so, yes. But Pilates
Is it
and
better
ballet are
for you?
they're
Is
very
it better
sim-
for you?
Yeah, because ballet, it's
You're supported.
very demanding for your knees and your back. Ballet.
Do you like those machines?
Yeah. If you know how to,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you figure out how to,
You
I'm
do-
taking a teacher training on the side,
So you're
I'm
gonna
getting
learn how to-
everything. Yeah,
Could you teach that? Is that what we're saying?
maybe. Yeah, one day I'd love to
Open your own Pilates studio?
Exactly. My mom is. I kind of got my mom also into Pilates. She was already very into yoga, so now she's building off being a lawyer because she doesn't enjoy it anymore. She wants to do something else. So maybe.
You go into partnership with your mum. Wicked.
Yeah.
Good idea. Daphne. Favorite pet? Animal. Doesn't have to be the same.
Okay.
You could give me one of each.
Favorite animal? What is the animal called?
You don't
in
know what it's called?
The Lion King. I know in my language that like
It's a meerkat.
Meerkat. Yes.
Yes, they are so cute.
Yeah, there's some. You know.
They're amazing. And they're social, like you.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
happy. Meerkats are happy if there are other meerkats to love.
Exactly. Maybe I'm a.
You
meerkat.
are a
Maybe I was a meerkat in a previous
Very
life.
tall meerkat. And pet? Do you have any? Did you have any growing up?
I had a rabbit.
You did?
Yeah.
You weren't that fond.
I mean, I think it was just I really wanted it, and then I got it, and then it was a lot of work, and
Yeah, right. That's what I tell my daughter.
It's
She
just
wants bloody guinea pigs. The amount of hay and shit.
yeah,
that we
it's
have
just
to-
all the hair and
Yeah.
you know,
It's a drag.
it's a lot of work, and I feel you should only get a pet if you truly
Have the
the time. And in all honesty, I didn't have the time.
And you
so.
still don't. So not for a
still
while.
No.
And last, but by no means least, favorite social media platform.
I mean, I would say Instagram.
Is that what you're on mostly?
I think
More
so.
than YouTube? More than Facebook?
Yeah.
Instagram is it.
Yeah, and before I would have said Snapchat before Instagram had those videos.
And killed it.
Yeah, and killed it. Yeah.
Has it killed it for the fashion brigade?
I don't feel like Snapchat is at all important anymore. It just also makes more sense. Like beforehand, it was like Snapchat was like the videos, and I think it was only a matter of time that Instagram was gonna incorporate that in there. You know, and it's all for clients. They want to have your Instagram, and then you know they have the pictures of you this and this, and then they can watch your video to kind of like get more of a vibe.
One-stop shopping.
Yeah,
that's it. Daphne, that was a lovely pleasure.
Yes.
Thank you so
likewise.
much for coming.
Thank you so much for taking the time
and for giving so much of yourself in
yes,
the dark here.
Yes,
I hope you
dark.
register. The good thing is
I'm wearing,
swarthy,
and I'm not wearing black.
And you're so light skinned. Look, you reflect the tiny little light
Yeah,
left.
I know.
We can see you. You're glowing out now.
I know. I apparently when they set up the light, they're like, oh wow, your skin is like
reflective. It's like a
like I give good.
You give good
on
light.
On set, I give good light. Like
that is beautifully put for a model. To give good light is your destiny, darling. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Lots of love. Bye.
Bye.